In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer server ownership. If you're handing your community to someone else or stepping back from managing a server, this walkthrough will guide you safely through the process. A quick heads up before we start, only the current server owner can transfer ownership, and once you do, the new owner becomes the only person with ultimate control. Make sure the person you're transferring to is active in the server and someone you trust. First, open Discord on your desktop or in a browser and go to the server you want to hand over. You'll find your servers listed on the left. Click the one you're managing so it's in focus. At the top of the channel list, click the server name. You'll see a small arrow next to it indicating a menu. This opens the server menu where you can access all of the administrative options. From that menu, select Server Settings. This takes you into the configuration area for the server where you control members, roles, moderation, and more. Inside Server Settings, go to the People section. This is where you can view and manage everyone who's currently in your server. Next, choose Members. This shows a complete list of your server members. If your community is large, use the search bar to quickly find the person you intend to make the new owner. Click on the member you want to transfer ownership to. It's a good idea to double-check their username and ensure they're the correct person, especially if there are similar names. Right-click that member and select Transfer Ownership. Discord treats this as a high-impact action, so you'll see a confirmation step next. In the confirmation window, check the box, acknowledging that transferring ownership gives full control of the server to the selected member. Then click Transfer Ownership to finalize. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, Discord may ask you to confirm with your code, which adds an extra layer of security. That's it. The new owner now has complete control. After the transfer, your permissions may change depending on your role. If you still need certain abilities, ask the new owner to assign an appropriate role. It's also wise to coordinate with them beforehand about things like roles, channels, and integrations to ensure a smooth transition. If you are using any personal accounts for bots or webhooks, consider handing over access through their own accounts rather than sharing credentials. You've successfully transferred server ownership. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to confirm everything works as expected with the new owner before you step away.